Hi, welcome to Kawatso. Learn anything in less than rupees 500 per month.
In this quick session, I will answer what, why and how of Linux. Let's start with what is Linux. Linux is an operating system. Just like any other operating system, Linux distribution is a bundle of its core part known as kernel and many other applications like spreadsheet and video player. An operating system is that software package which manages hardware and provides services to the other applications. In other words, operating system act as a mediator between software applications and the hardware. To understand this, assume we have a text editor which can print our text files after content creation. Once content creation task is completed, this application hand over the printing task. OS communicates to the device driver and sends the right signal to the printer. The text editor application doesn't have to care about how the printer works. It is all handled by OS. So, Linux is the operating system which acts as the interface between hardware and different applications. Second question, why Linux? First and most importantly, Linux is an open source operating system. It means this OS is freely available to use, modify and contribute. We can use Linux kernel and build our own custom OS on top of it. Linux is available in many distributions with common core part, which is Linux kernel. These distributions are different in applications and UI. Apart from client OS, Linux is also available as a server operating system. Linux is highly secure, which makes it a very strong candidate for server OS. Along with free version, commercial and paid versions of Linux servers are also available, like SUSE and Red Hat. Now final question, how to work with Linux? Linux can be used with both GUI and non-GUI mode. Its distribution like Ubuntu is a very famous OS. However, if you want to work with any distribution which doesn't support GUI, then we need to know its basic commands and their flow. For better performance, most of the Linux servers are non-GUI, which generates requirement of learning Linux fundamentals and its commands. Linux allows us to develop our own program by using shell scripting. These scripts can be used to automate different repetitive tasks to save manual effort. In this course, we will learn the fundamentals of Linux and shell scripting. We will see the most useful commands and their documentation. We will also learn shell scripting to create our custom programs. So why are we waiting for? Let's start learning this simple yet powerful operating system.